Hello guys! Today I am going to show you how to make a vanilla frosting buttercream for cupcakes. Okay, so for this project what we need is a stand-up mixer fitted with a paddle attachment. We need a set of measuring spoons and measuring cups. We need 2 sticks of butter. We will need 3.5 cups of powdered sugar and a little bit of whole milk, and that's it. I'm going to start mixing the butter, and I'm gonna add the sugar little by little until it's all combined. And then once it's all combined, I will add 1 teaspoon of milk. Oh, and I forgot, we need vanilla as well. If you want to flavor it with a different flavor, go ahead, just replace it, substitute it for whatever other flavor you want. For this one, I'm using vanilla, so 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then once everything is mixed together, I'm gonna let it mix at a medium-high speed for about 5 minutes, and that's it, it's done. Okay, buttercream is mixed, it smells and it looks delicious. I will add, this time you can or you don't have to add some food coloring. I like the gel food color. I'm gonna add a little bit of that, put it in my piping bag, and you can use whatever tip you want. Star tips are fun. I'm going to use the round one, and I'm gonna start icing some of my cupcakes. I'm gonna probably add some sprinkles, and that's it. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Okay guys, this is it. This is the delicious vanilla buttercream frosting for your cupcakes. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys give it a try. It is a really easy, really yummy recipe. So I hope give it a thumbs up if you like it. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn how to make the vanilla cupcakes, check out my vanilla cupcake video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.